Okay guys, it is cold outside and there's rain. I want something like warm. Um, I've ordered a Manicotti. There's the noodles, chicken, celery, looking pretty good. The noodles is soft. The soup is has a saltiness to it. The soup does have like enough flavors in there. Okay, let's try out this breadsticks. Breadsticks are good too. Every time I eat like spaghetti, I think I need Coke with that.
Okay.
Like to relax and stuff like that. I'm gonna give this one a 3 out of 5. I wish the noodles were not that that soft. You know what I mean? My Manicotti. Okay, let's shout to some Manicotti. Once I put the cheese in in my mouth, it's soft. Because there's salty taste to it. You can taste the spaghetti sauce. Once you bite into the Manicotti, you have this texture of the noodles and the cheese in there. The Manicotti inside looks like this. This is kind of like eating like a ravioli. Has this cheese fillings in there. The sauce on this one does taste good. Okay guys, the food does taste good. This is like my first time eating this, so I'm gonna give this a rating of 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 5. Okay guys, this is located in Columbus, Ohio. Okay guys, if you guys want more information, I'll be putting a link below of this video. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.
One place can you be is to develop.
Okay guys, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe.
Most people.
Okay guys, this is Creator's Quest. See ya.